How microwave heating food makes you sick. Technologies develop every day. There are a lot of appliances that we use. Unfortunately, we don't think about bad effects that influence on our organism. Microwave is one of these. Today, there is in most houses. Have you ever think about damage that can have after eating food that have been cooked in microwave? Microwaves are produced inside the oven by an electron tube called a magnetron. The microwaves are reflected within the metal interior of the oven where they are absorbed by food. Microwaves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, producing heat that cooks the food. That's why foods that are high in water content, like fresh vegetables, can be cooked more quickly than other foods. The microwave energy is changed to heat as it is absorbed by food, and does not make food radioactive or contaminated. Leading companies will not tell you that the microwave causes radiation. This information will change your opinion. You won't eat food cooked in microwave anymore. It can simply damage your organism. Microwaved foods have been found to cause stomach and intestinal cancerous growths, a general degeneration of peripheral cellular tissues, and a gradual breakdown of the digestive and excretive systems in a high percentage of people. People who are exposed to high levels of microwave action could experience the same symptoms, which include. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1, thirst. Number 2, nausea. Number 3, eye problems. Number 4, depression. Number 5, headaches. Number 6, insomnia. Be attentive and think about it. It is much better to reduce using the microwave. Try to save your organism and think, what should you eat? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.